Hello subscribers, as you know I took many videos telling you about LinkedIn, about how renting it out, but today I come with a new video which is very important if you have a LinkedIn account. As you try to look, nowadays many LinkedIn accounts are being banned and others are being restricted. The cause of this is that many people don't know how to secure their LinkedIn account, or even when sexual, they don't know how to appear when they are in restrictions or when they are banned. Then today I come with my own experience telling you how I was able to recover a permanently banned LinkedIn account. Then today we are going to talk about LinkedIn another more, and you know that nowadays LinkedIn is very important. The reason why I come with this video is that many people came on my WhatsApp telling me that their LinkedIn were restricted, but they didn't know how they can arrest those restrictions. Today I'm going to tell you not only about the lifting restrictions, but also how you can object when your account is permanently banned. I did that to my only account, and now it came again in action. It is working for me. As you know, LinkedIn is very important in our daily life, either in professional opportunities or about renting it out, as I was telling you that time in some videos. Today I'm going to tell you how you can lift restrictions and how you can secure your account, and also how you can appear if your LinkedIn account was permanently banned. Then follow this video and remember to subscribe to my channel. As you can see here, we have many links or many URL that you can use objecting something or reporting something on LinkedIn. I remember they asked me to verify the passport, but I had no passport. It is true in some countries they accept to use ID card, but in my country it was impossible to use ID card because they ask only passport. Then in these days I realized that many people use their LinkedIn like this. When they are in restrictions, without being with that passport, they read their LinkedIn like that, maybe which is, for example, 3 years older, and they are rated. Today I'm going to tell you a very important thing that will help you recover your LinkedIn. The mine was in restrictions and also maybe permanently banned. Now I was able to recover it, and I am using it in my professional development. So the problem is many persons they don't know what to do, because when you have many URL, they are all helpful, it is true, but to choose the best, it is this the problem. Then today I'm going to tell you which best URL can you choose if you want to recover the LinkedIn. If the passport it is true, or if your ID works on LinkedIn, you can sign in on LinkedIn freely and have to the step of verifying the ID and then verify it. But when your ID or the ID of your country doesn't work, you have to follow me like this and to use these steps. This thing that I am going to tell you, many of you or many people ignore it, but it is the one which is very important when you want to report a LinkedIn account. What I was able to recognize is that when you report an account without verifying any identity, you have no chance to recover it. Then what I did, as I was telling you, to my account, I used the URL which contacted me on Facebook. It is the one that I am advising you if you want to recover the LinkedIn account, or if your verification is not working, because on Facebook when you ask a question they reply you easily. Then if you are objecting or appearing a banned LinkedIn account in restrictions, maybe you can go on Facebook and read LinkedIn. Once you read LinkedIn, you will see a page like this, and this page is very helpful because when you click here, it will contact you here when you receive the message button. Then this button is very important if you want to tell LinkedIn what the problem you have, because on Facebook it is very easy and quick to reply you. Then once you come here, you touch this message icon and enter inside and tell them a message like, my LinkedIn account has an issue. Then when you text a message like this, LinkedIn will give you an automatic message which will be telling you like this: if you want other help, please reply to this message quickly by including your email address and also your LinkedIn information. And then when you include your email address that you are using on LinkedIn, which was banned, maybe unrestricted, what LinkedIn supports via Facebook will help you is to forward the message that you sent to them on the many LinkedIn supports, which will text you via email. Then you will report your account via Facebook, but the feedback will be given via the email. Then what I found is that Facebook is the first step and email is the last step. The problem is that many people use email when reporting the LinkedIn account, but for sure email is the last step. Even when they are replying you see that their response looks like they are busy or in other actions. But when you text on Facebook, they reply you carefully and also guide you with furthermore steps. Then after submitting the message on a Facebook or Instagram, maybe with your identity like email or profile URL, they will tell you that they have created a case for you and that the support team will be reaching to you in some hours. It will be true because the support team will reach you via email. Then when they send you a message on email, it will be a good opportunity to recover your account. These are the steps that I used. If you want to recover your LinkedIn too, you can use those steps and I'm sure they can work. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe on my channel 3xmania257. Thank you very much. See you later.